Hello there, this is Dave Allen from Mac20 Questions, and today I want to have a quick look at an application called Cloud. I have installed it already and I got it from the App Store. If you don't go to the App Store to get it, you can first of all start by going to the website and find out more about it. Then you can click on this button here and it will take you to the Mac Store where you can go and get it. The whole thing about this Cloud app is that it helps you share files. Now I've installed it already and it's a menu bar application and it's sitting up there, look. And I can open the web app up if I want to. I can share some files, I've shared those already. I can tell it to auto upload screenshots. If I go into the preferences, I can tell it to do certain things within the various applications. So in Chrome, for instance, I can have it shorten the front Windows URL. I haven't tried that yet. I'll have to give that a try and see what that does. And there's does the same thing in Firefox. Works with Grab. I don't tend to use that, and I don't tend to use Photoshop either, so I can turn those off. It'd be nice if it worked with Sketch as well, and screenshots. I could have it do something there. And it also works with iPhoto, so there's a few things that it will do. So let's have a look in Finder first of all and see what we can do with that there. You see that to trigger this I've got to press Control, Option, Command and R. Now you can click on that so you can record whatever you want as your own shortcut. And I just chose Control, Option and Command and R just because it was one not being used by anything else. Okay, so that's in Finder. Let's go to Finder now. And in Finder, let's go to this one here, small file there. So if I do Control, Option and Command and R, you think nothing's happened, but let's have a look at this little thing up top here and we can see that something is being uploaded. And in just a moment we will see that Growl will give us a message to say that the file has been uploaded, and I get a little ding to tell me that it's happened. Now what I can do is I can go into my browser, or you can put that URL into something like a text editor. Command V, that puts the URL into that for me, or I can put it into this thing here or into an email and send it to somebody and they'll know where to go and have a look at this file. Okay, so let's do Command V into that there, press enter, and this is the file that I just uploaded onto the Cloud app thing there, and it works pretty well. Let's go have a look at iPhoto, and I'll go to a place where I've got some small Apple logo. That'll do. So if I do Control, Option, Command and R, and it started doing its work up there, it's uploading it to the Cloud. The ding, I've got my little upload succeeded down the bottom there from Growl, and then I can go into this one here and I can do Command V and press that. I can send this URL to somebody and they can have a look at the file. They can download it then from this thing if they want to. Let's go to my Documents folder. I've got a nice EPUB file there. Send that off to somebody if I wanted to, so I can drag it and drop it over on that. That's another way of moving things onto the Cloud. Let it do its thing for a couple of well, seconds really. It didn't take long at all for it to be uploaded, and again once all I've got to do is give the URL to somebody and they can put it into their browser just like this and it will upload the file. Because it's a file that can't be seen within the browser, it will give you this thing here, and the person who's looking at the file, all I need to do is to click on the download there, or if it says view in your browser, basically what's going to happen there is it'll download it anyway, and then they can look at it in their whatever application will look at it. If I go back to this thing over here again and go to, let's see, a markdown document, we'll use this one here, Downcast blog markdown file. This is a text document, this is, but it's got the markdown attributes to it because I like to work in markdown. So if I do Control, Option and Command and press the R button, send it off to a person and they're putting the URL into it, Command and V. Now because this is something that can be read in the browser, it's just coming up there, and the person can do whatever they want with this. They can select it and copy it and paste it and whatever else, so that's pretty good. We can do it with pictures from the picture folder. So I've got my picture folder here. Let's find something that is small. It's not going to take too long to upload. Let's go for this one here, the Spider Oak one. So again, I'm going to Control, Option and Command and R, and the person at the other end or whoever is sharing it with can copy the link, put it into their browser, and hey presto, they'll have that image. So keep an eye out for more videos to come from Mac20 Questions, and hope you've enjoyed this one and start using the CloudApp to be able to share your files very quickly and easily. Bye bye now.